Good evening and welcome on top of the night show for today. My name is Nedu _. Me, I'm Katim, the sexy, delectable. Oh my God. Tomato sauce. Hello, Pt.1.
It's okay.
Duplex up and down. That is what it is.
Double duplex.
Double duplex.
When I welcome on top night show, you know why you dress like a CIA agent?
That is how we know, like what? Egg roll.
I like this your combination, yeah.
Hala.
You can't wear black shimmy, black glasses. You can't wear this thing when they.
You don't know nothing, man. I'm about to show you something, man. She. Hala. Anyway, today on top of the night show, in fact, what we going to discuss for today? Now, women. Because you people are wicked.
Nedu, you don't tell me now.
Women are wicked. Some of you will not make heaven. I will personally make sure you don't make heaven.
Small. It's not quarrel. See, don't now.
Now,
what's the problem?
Today, I don't talk, say, we go pack like 50 girls enter for inside studio here today. Because they ask, what the woman want for inside the man? I don't aware of it. I don't aware of this matter. You gonna see the one where go talk say, actually, oh God.
I want someone that is yellow so that when they sauce me.
So I want someone that is yellow, so that when they sauce me, they
like,
say, oh, that guy is so quick.
This is guy girl. And
that guy is so quick. Instead of quick, so quick.
When they sauce me.
So when it sauce me. Now, before we enter the story of the day, look at this eyeglass. I don't know how artists take. No wonder the bunch fall that day for stage.
You know, say
every
time.
You know
how they take the shit. Bonner boy, no wonder he fall for stage.
You know,
that
say
day.
every time when they enter here, they always ask them, off this you are glass. If you know off your glasses,
I know they see well. He said, as I wear this now, I know they see well.
Make I say, it could be like NEPA now, don't carry like.
No wonder Bonner boy fall, P-Square brother fall from stage. Because when they don't, they shout, yo, it's me here again. Bram, ha, down. I beg, make a drop this thing here.
All go be like guy, all na guy.
One man talk say anybody will want date in daughter or to date with daughter.
Oh, Shebi na you say women na you wicked. Which kind man go do this? No. See. No, waiting happen. If you they chase this kind girl, consider say maybe imagine the same way you say make Chris Shalom. Imagine, just put yourself in this situation where we say you like one woman, if you like him, then the father come and do this kind of thing.
No,
you go still continue.
No, you go not say the papa like now.
You go do it for K.
Yes, why not? Why not? If no more, mother will kill somebody. Anyway,
Kela go sit down with him, feel him. You go know the answers when you go like go feel him. Not be Kela.
Anyway, today's show we go open our phone lines from the beginning of the show to the end of the show. Una go begin they call us whether you be a man or woman or Caitlyn Jenner. Call, we will take your call. Now we go show now the application letter. Now I go see the application letter. Application to date my daughter.
Yes.
Now, the other one is say, do you own or drive a van? Yes or no? If yes, please discontinue filling this form.
The form.
In 50 words or less, describe what no means to you. Because you know some kind girls, if you touch them, stop it. Touch me. Stop it now. Oh, stop it. Don't go to my pant area. Stop it. Do you want to do? No. Beware now, yes. So the man want know whether if girl talk, no.
No, there's another one. There remain 3 more interesting questions inside this questionnaire.
He said in 50 words or less, describe what late means to you.
L-A-T-E.
Late. You can say, where would you least like to be shot?
Boza.
With a gun. The other one, which is the last bone
you want broken? In your body.
So when the man begin to break your bone, which one be the last bone where you go like cowboy? What do you want to be if you grow up? Because I can kill you.
No. I personally can photocopy this thing and keep in my file.
The last question, number 9, say, who beside God should you fear most?
Please list 3 referees.
My brother, Oga, take your daughter.
This is the application form.
Maybe, you see, it's possible, say, the person where they didn't live one date. Now, what thing then give and be this? We make them say no one follow women again. It's possible.
Say nah.
I'm not talking anything, no. I just say it's possible, say now what thing then give the relate. We make them say, if na woman, I not follow again. I'm not say the... Now, the same thing where Uti. Maybe they give Uti too, the same thing.
Yeah.
Maybe they give Alex a Kubo the same thing too. I don't know.
No, we're just, musing aloud.
We not be say, say the thing where you they think, when you know they talk, we they help you talk them.
So,
anyway,
this kind of things, nothing is impossible. Nedu, what's the number of attendance when you enter church last year? It's part of the criteria to date this daughter.
I go to church last Sunday. Now, the thing we'll go discuss today for sure, 2 things. We will carry plenty girls enter inside studio here.
Plenty girls, you
plenty girls.
By butter.
Now, some girls, we will bring young girls, and the girl will don't grow small. Now, some kind girls now, what in they like? Tall, dark, and handsome. When they don't go 32 years old, God fearing. No, when they don't get 28, God fearing man. When they don't get like a 32. Nah, any man is a man.
No.
Now see the gist. One man, he marry. Now for inside Greece, he marry.
Greece?
Yes, Greece. Enough it give him wife belle. And the wife now, ex-beauty queen. You know those most beautiful girl. Ex-beauty queen. Now, he no one go carry the matter go doctor. He can't in neighbor where then get 2 children we don't marry. He can't call a neighbor. Can't count $2,500. Will be like 500 and something thousand naira.
How the man and cook now? He has money now.
Wait now. Carry $2,500. Give the neighbor. Say I beg. Make he help him. They sleep with his wife. Make he give him wife belly. Since he don't give his own wife belly, they don't get 2 children. Say 3 times every week. Now, every time this man go to come 6 months, he don't wipe 72 times. 72 times this man don't wipe. Belly no enter. Now the man vex. So I waiting.
Every time.
I go there every time you go call they wipe my wife. I go there the month they wait, belly no enter. Okay, what is it? Now they can't drag the matter go court. Now, as in that the man reach court can't say until then do a test for the man, then go find out lab test.
Make we know.
My brothers and sisters in the ministry, not be in when they do test. They can't find out say the man machine gun. Oh. Now blank he they shoot over the bar.
So who can be papa to those
children?
Many
say in 2 children where they house. Oh. Now another person ain't get the 2 children.
What a way to find out.
What a way to find out.
Che.
The second one now from Ekiti State, where one man go court, he said no marry wife again. Because of how in wife they promiscuous on top Facebook and WhatsApp. After they marry. See, Nigerian man fights for divorce while alleged sexcapade on social media. We go bring us talk about what girls they do for Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook. And one new one now where they snapping chat. Oh, you don't know that one? Snapchat. You get one where I see for Snapchat. You get one sleep now, her Bobby. Now she snap. Good night, Snapchat. Come snap and pack them.
Well, maybe I know something to think about. Maybe it's for her inner circle friends.
Anyway, more grass, more chicken, break. When you come back, all those guys go down, sit down. Girls, you people will die today.
Why?
Okay, no. We are coming back.
Why you want? No, why?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.